Hello, my dear student. This is Sonia Kaushik, and today I am going to explain the visceral organs that are present in human body. So now onwards, we are going to start human anatomy in class 11th. So before starting the human physiology or animal physiology unit of class 11th, let me introduce you all with all the visceral organs or internal organs that is present in our body and that are protected by our bones, or you can say by our skeletal system. Alright, so let's start one by one discuss karte hain student. So this is brain. This is brain that is present inside cranium, or that is called brain box. Alright, this is brain. This is eye that is present or fit in eye orbit. Alright, so this is buccal cavity. This is mouth, and this is larynx or voice box, you can say. This is thyroid gland. Then we are coming to lower part. Yes, these are lungs. Yes, you can see this is right lung and this is left lung. Left lung have some depression here. This is cardiac notch that helps to accommodate the heart that is present behind the. So let me show you. This is lungs. This is from inside, back side you can say, and this is the front side of the lungs. This is left lung having cardiac notch, and this is right lung. Alright. Then this is heart. Yes, that is present behind the lungs, and all that part is called thoracic cavity, that is prevented by the ribs in the rib cage. Alright. Yes, this is heart. You can see this blue color are pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary artery. Yes, you can. This is front side of our heart, and this is the back side. This is the back side. These are coronary arteries. This is aorta. Let me show you internally. Alright, so you can see heart inside. These are ventricles, and upper ones are auricles. Lower chambers, total 4 chambers are present in our heart. Lower are ventricles and upper one are auricles. So this is all about the heart. Next, coming to, so this is you can see inside, that is the you can say this is air tube or windpipe, trachea you can say, that are primary bronchi that leads in the lungs. Alright, so this is the part where heart and lungs present. Now this you can see, this brown color structure, this is liver. This is from the front side and this is from the back side. This is gallbladder. You know that this liver secretes bile juice that helps in emulsification of fat, and that bile juice is stored in gallbladder. This is the you can say largest digestive gland or of our body. Alright, second largest gland is pancreas. Alright, inside in the back side you can see kidneys. This is, first of all I will like to separate this. This is intestine. Inner one is small intestine, outer part is large intestine. Yes, these brown color bean shaped structures are kidney. This is kidney. I am separating out. Yes, this is from front side, kidney from the front side, and this is from the back side. And you can see this outer dark brown region is cortex region, and inner one is medulla, and these structures, these are renal pyramids. Alright, and this is, you can see, renal artery, renal vein that carries blood from and to the kidney. And these are the genital organs of human male, that is include penis and testis that is present inside the scrotum sac. Alright, so this is all about the you can say visceral organ that is present in human body. If we see the back side of these are these are arteries and veins that are shown here. If we see the back side of this dummy, you can see, yes, this is the foramen magnum that is that leads to the brain stem, or you can say spinal cord, that is protected inside the bony cavity, that is the vertebral column. Alright, so this is the vertebral column. These bony structures are the parts of vertebral column, and inside you can see the spinal cord. This spinal cord, this is protected inside the backbone, or that is called vertebral column. Right. So when we will do skeleton system, then we will discuss different types of vertebrae and different structures that is present in backbone. Alright, this time we are going to study only the human visceral structures. Alright, that is present. So I hope you have understand the topic clearly. Goodbye.